Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, thanks for clicking. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos again. My name is OLAJUMOKE, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you five things I wish I knew before starting my YouTube channel. Okay, so if you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. Join this wonderful and great family. Okay, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video, because there might be someone on your Facebook page, in your family, among your friends, that might have it in mind to start a YouTube channel. Okay, so that person will not make the same mistake I made when I wanted to start my own YouTube channel. So I'm here to share my own experience with you. 5 things I wish I knew before starting up my YouTube channel. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like it. So let's get right into it. One thing I wish I knew before starting up my own YouTube channel is to have like 50 videos ideas before starting up. When I wanted to start up my YouTube channel, I was like, okay, let me do a video today, and after that I'll be thinking of what to upload next. Okay, so when I uploaded my first video, I was like, okay, let me rest a little bit before uploading another one, before filming another one. I was like thinking, what should I do, what should I put out, what content should I put out? So I was just confused. I was just putting up anything that comes to my mind. I don't have any plans. I don't, draw out any plans for filming. I was just like doing my own thing, blah, blah, blah. And that is not good at all. So if you are planning to start up a YouTube channel, please try as much as possible to have over 50 videos idea, which will, bring value, which will educate, entertain. Don't just come to YouTube and your first video should be get to know me. No, it doesn't work like that. Do not upload a get to know me as a first video on your YouTube channel. Okay, nobody cares. Nobody cares. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to have like 50 pre-planned videos ideas. Okay, plan it out and make sure it is valuable, it is educative, it is what people can learn from, or even make them laugh, forget their sorrows. Number 2 thing I wish I knew before starting up my YouTube channel was that nobody owes you anything. Stop being entitled. Okay, learn to work alone and grow alone. Okay, so in this YouTube journey, before I started, I was like, oh, when I uploaded a video, I was like, okay, my first 50 subscribers sorry, my first 50 subscribers will be my family members. And my family members, my immediate sisters, brothers, my cousins. I was like, my sisters will tell their friends will tell their friends that their sister has a YouTube channel, so that they will start subscribing to my channel. And before I know it, my subscriber will have, shoot up to 1,000 subscriber. Okay, not 100, 1,000 subscriber. And also, I'm going to reach my 4,000 watch hour in no time. Guys, YouTube does not work like that. Okay, don't feel entitled. Nobody owes you anything. Let me just share this with you. I can remember sometimes ago, my sister called me. She was like asking for a vanilla cake recipe. Okay, so without using a mixer, a hand mixer or a stand mixer, she was like asking me. I was like, oh, I dropped a video on that on my channel. Please go there, go watch it and get the recipe, follow the process, and you will get it. Okay, so she was like, no, YouTube go chop all my data. YouTube my data. I cannot go there. Please send the recipe to me via WhatsApp. I was like, wow, if my sister could say this, that YouTube man your data, she couldn't sacrifice that 50 MB for her big sis. So what about my friends that I thought they are going to be watching my videos, leaving comments, and also, calling me, advising me, Jumoke, this is what you are not doing right, this is what you are not, you are lacking, this is what you should do. I was expecting them, to call me, but they are not. They too, they will be like, YouTube man data, YouTube will eat up their data. And whenever they want to check something on Instagram, they will call me, Jumoke, have you seen this thing on Instablog? What's up with you? Kimiko, go to Instagram. I don't like to go to Instagram because true, Instagram eats data more than YouTube. If I have like 4.5 gig now, and I, based on Instagram, in 2 days my data will be exhausted. But if I have that 4.5 gig on my phone, I stay on my lane, as in on my YouTube lane, okay, that data will take me like 5 or 6 days before it got exhausted. Okay, so please don't feel entitled. When you feel people owes you something on this YouTube journey, you're gonna get odds, because people are not going to support you as you think they will. You are on your own. But when you get to like 10,000 subscribers, 20,000 subscribers, those that neglected you will be like, oh, I have a YouTuber friend, oh, I have a YouTuber sister, oh, they will now start to talk about you. But in your struggle, what I mean by struggle, in the process of growing on YouTube, do not expect anybody to support you, except for people out there like you people now watching this video, watching me. Guys, you can make it happen for me. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. 3 things I wish I knew before starting up my YouTube was that I am not going to please everybody. When I started my YouTube journey, I was like, oh, every content I'm putting out will be valuable, will be something people can learn from, whether it's a quality video or not. I was after what you people could learn from. It will be educative, okay? What you can learn from, what you can DIY, what you can. So basically, when I wanted to start my YouTube channel, my idea was basically what you people can learn from, okay? What you can learn from, what will add values to you. You might know it before and you might not know it, okay? So at the end of the day, I find out that no matter how presentable you are, no matter how professional you are, people will always have problem with you. There's no way. Whether your co-content creator, whether your viewers, whether your subscribers, people will always have problem with you. So the best is to do you, okay? Be yourself, satisfy your conscience, okay? Put out valuable content, put out educative content, entertaining content, whatever content you're just creating, just to make sure it is entertaining, it is educative, it is what people will like watching over and over again. Do not care about what people say, what they feel, because when you go through some content creators comment section, if you are not patient on this YouTube, people will just comment nonsense. They will just tell you nonsense, nonsense. They will insult you. They will insult your generation because you are just on YouTube. For what now? If you cannot give a positive comment, if you cannot contribute to someone's channel positively, so why staying there? Why are you staying there? So when you want to start your YouTube channel, please get used to this. People will insult you, people will criticize you. Just face like this, or your face like this. Stay on your own lane. Do not even listen to them, okay? Don't give them face. Filama will be just the filama will be. Just be on your own lane. Do your own thing. Do you, be real. Number 4 thing I wish I knew before starting up my own YouTube channel is to avoid sub for sub. Okay, my subscribers are increasing.
2 hours later.
Your subscriber is decreasing. Do not give in for this sub for sub, because 95% of people that are subscribing to your channel doing sub for sub, they are not interested in your channel. They are just subscribing to your channel to add up numbers to their own channel when you return back the favor. Okay, and trust me, when you return back the favor by subscribing to their own channel, they are going to go back and unsubscribe you. Those that are doing that, you know yourself, you are guilty of that. You have done it for me many times. Yes, I am. Guys, can you imagine? People will say, hello there, please, I have shown some love to you, kindly do the same. I will go to their channel. Even I watch their video, like their video, comment in the comment section, and also subscribe to their channel. The next minute, they are going to unsubscribe from my channel. Like, I'll be like, what is happening? My subscriber will go up today, and tomorrow it will go. I'll be like, what? What is really happening? So please, if you are doing sub for sub, because I have done it before and I am here telling you, if you're out there, you want to start your own YouTube channel, or perhaps you have your own YouTube channel, please desist from sub for sub. It will not help your channel. It will not make your channel grow. People will just play on your intelligence and just walk away. Okay, as for me, I'm not doing sub for sub again. So if you're out there, you want to subscribe to my channel, make sure you want to genuinely, not just to come back and tell me, please do me the same favor. Because if you say that, I might subscribe to your channel, yes, if I like your content, because I'm going to be watching your content. Every channel I subscribe to, I watch their channel. And I also contribute to it. Like, I leave a comment in the comment section. I like, sometimes I share their video, but they are not doing the same for me. So this sub for sub is not working. Sub for sub cannot take you to 1,000 subscriber and the other hand 4,000 watch hour. You need a real subscriber that will watch your videos whenever you drop your videos. You need subscribers, real subscribers, that they are going to like you for who you are, that is going to stay on your channel. You do not need ghost subscriber that will subscribe today and leave your channel, go to the other channel looking for sub for sub, sub for sub, sub for sub. Girl, guys, you have to stop it. Okay, stop it. Sub for sub, mba, all the risky. Stop it. Okay. The fifth thing I wish I knew before starting up my YouTube channel is not to compare myself with another content creator. And what I mean by that was that when I started my YouTube channel, there's some channels I watched, like they are just 3 months old on YouTube and they are over 10,000 subscribers and over 4,000 watch hours. Apparently, I think their second month they got monetized and they are doing their own thing. So I was like, okay, when I start my own YouTube channel too, within a trickle of an eye, I'm going to reach a 1,000 watch hour, then 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscriber. If you are about to start your YouTube channel, or you are in it already, you're a small YouTuber as I am, please know that it takes time to grow on YouTube. You got to be patient. Okay? You have to be patient. On YouTube, we have, journeys are different. My own journey is different from yours. Yours is different from mine. Some people might get monetized in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and some people it will take them 9 months, a year, 2 years. I know you don't want that, and I don't want that too. Okay, so it is just purely patient and consistency on YouTube that will make you grow. Do not compare yourself with Jackie Aina. Jackie Aina has like over 2 million subscribers. There are a lot of people that has like 500 subscribers, like Tony Olaoye, Dima Ume, Sisi Yemi. Do not compare yourself to them if you are starting up a YouTube, because they've been on this journey for a couple of years. So how would you make up for the years they've been on YouTube? It is not possible. My sisters, my brothers, it is not possible. Please do not compare yourself with any other content creator. You are you, so do you. Okay, do you. So I hope you've learned from this. This is my whole journey. This is things I wish I knew before starting up a YouTube, because if I had known this earlier than this, you know, my my channel will have grown more than this. Okay, there are some mistakes I made. So 5 things that I wish I knew before starting up my YouTube channel is what I'm sharing with you, and I hope it is helpful. I hope you've learned from my mistake. Don't be like me, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you do, kindly give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and also click on the subscribe button below, okay? And before I go, guys, do you like my nails? Do you like it? If you want to know how I do these nails myself, under 10 minutes detailed video, I'm going to link it down in the description box below. Please check it out, watch it, give it a thumbs up, share it. Somebody might need it on your page, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.